Bonjour, Kinamagi and Nene Ireland Indigenous, and welcome to this overview of our Week 9 learning plan. We'll begin here with our Week 9 learning plan. This document is available within the Google Classroom and also within the emails that I send to parents and guardians and students alike. If you're not receiving this email, please email me at mireland@sagchipschool.net and we'll get your account on the list. It is also available from the school website and our class page and is posted early in the weekend. So let's look at this final week of the first quarter. You will notice that our live stream schedule is exactly the same. So every morning that we're in class, your student can sit down and watch what we're doing and participate right along with the in-person students. Reading, will be completing the Let Freedom Ring series with Act 2. And we'll have Scholastic on Wednesday. And that will wrap up the first quarter for reading. In writing, we have a lot of catch-up time in here, but we're also going to review the Oreo strategy for opinion writing. And we'll have a spooky write on Friday. Words Their Way, we'll continue with the norm right now. There will be 4 or 5 assignments within each student's Google Classroom. They go through, they do the assignments and then turn it in after the final one is done. There is no scheduled test for this week. Math, we'll work on lessons 5 and 6. We'll do some review on Wednesday for quarter 1. Each student might get something a little different than another student, as we're going to focus on those areas where students may have a score of 2, and then give them an opportunity on Thursday to show that they have that skill now and they've learned it since the first assessment, and a chance to get that final 3 there. And then Friday, we'll have our lesson 7. That'll be really the first turned in work in the new quarter. Science, Monday, we're going to review Unit 1, kind of talk about what the format of the test will be like. On Tuesday is the assessment. And I encourage parents to make sure that students take this assessment somewhere between Monday and Wednesday. On Thursday, we will try and give students an opportunity to earn another chance to get a 3 in an area. That'll be dependent on students having it into me by Wednesday morning so that I can set them up with an assignment or an activity to show me they have that skill in another way. And on Friday, we will have a science spin. You'll notice that on Thursday, there is an article to read for those students that might have all 3s. But you're completely welcome to read it or follow it even if you take the assessment, but there's no assignment to it. Social studies, we have a sparse schedule. On Monday, we are going to do the Columbian Exchange, day 2, and we'll take the quiz digitally on Wednesday. The quiz will have already been written, so if a student's like, Mr. I'm in class on Tuesday, I'd really like to do it while you're there, that is acceptable, but we don't have new material planned for that day as we wrap up this quarter. Thursday will be quizzes again for any student that needs the opportunity to earn that final 3. This is going to be a great opportunity to use office hours to make sure that you review with me. I'm more than happy to send you some material. You'll look for stuff that'll come out on Wednesday for review based on what areas we need to focus on. Friday, there is no new assignment. Technology this week, I'm encouraging students to work on things that it's already posted within the Google Classroom. There is no new assignment. So continue working on your 21 things for students, code.org, typing. Those would be a great spot to start. With the quarter ending, on Friday at 3 p.m. is the deadline to get me materials. If you have any questions or concerns about that deadline, please reach out to me as soon as possible at mireland@sagchipschool.net. It'll be very important that if you need some kind of accommodation, that we talk about it sooner than later. If that means you need some papers picked up on Friday, we can work something out. Um, Make sure you're also taking the opportunity to check your students' uh, Google Classroom. There will be a section on the left called To Do, and that should list them the assignments they need to turn in. Although sometimes students have been known in past years to just click turn in to kind of hide it, but I check these things, and if not, I will let you know. Um, There is office hours each day from 2 to 2:45. I encourage students who need a little assistance getting that 3 to come and attend. Um, Parents can come at this time as well, and guardians to ask questions. Um, It is a very busy week. I know there is also uh, a holiday for students on that Saturday. Um, So on Wednesday, when we do our Five is Live, that's a great opportunity for students to wear their costume, um, if they have one, because you don't have to, uh, with the whole class, uh, and show it off. So you don't have to actually send it to school and all of the headache that comes with that. So for our Five is Live that day, we'll have a little fun. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at mireland@sagchipschool.net. I'd be happy to answer them. And I look forward to a great week to wrap up the end of the first quarter and start transitioning into the second quarter. I hope you all have a Meno Gichigan. Baba P.